karanjetlilive.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox our HJC mago helmet. So guys, as you can see from the box, I ordered it on FC Moto and I paid around 171 euros for it, including shipping to Oman. Okay, so let us open it and let us see how is the helmet, how it looks, how it feels, and how it is packed. So it comes with this, and guys, here is the bill for it. Sorry, I told you it is 171, it is 177 euros including shipping to Oman. So guys, let us take it out. So guys, the purchase link for this helmet I'll put in the description. So let us open the box and let us see what comes in the box. Nice. So guys, here it is. So for the time being, we will use this box as a temporary table. So guys, as you can see, this helmet, it comes with this pouch with HJC marking on it, and the pouch quality is good, and you can carry that pouch also around, okay, with these strings. Okay, so guys, here it is. So it comes with this wind deflectors. So guys, here is the helmet. So I ordered black and bright orange color. So guys, this helmet is full carbon fiber helmet, and the weight of this helmet is about 1.2 kilos. Okay, so guys, it has this very wide, I think you can open it like this, yeah, very wide visor with the sun visor inside. Okay, and it has vents for the air. Okay, and what else is there? So it comes with this professional double D lock. Okay, and guys, these cheek pads, they are designed to be taken out easily in case of emergencies. So guys, here is the instruction manual, and here is the wind deflector for the chin. Okay, so guys, soon I'll be doing a detailed review of it. Okay, so this video was just unboxing this helmet, and let us see what else is in the box. Okay, so guys, it also comes with this pin lock. Okay, later I'm going to install it. So guys, before I end this video, I'll wear this helmet on my face. So I ordered size M, so that all of you can have an idea how it looks and how it feels. So guys, here is HJC F70 helmet. Okay, so as I told you, mine is size N, so I'll wear it, okay, so that you can see how it looks and how it feels. So this is the first time I'm wearing it, so it will be little tight to fit, but it fits perfectly. And guys, it comes with this slider, and you can open and close the sun visor for it. So guys, that's all for today. So if you like my videos, so if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.